Namaskara everyone, I am Ram Biradar from Azurite classes. Now we will study the GK chapter solar system. So does everyone know solar system, our solar system? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, good. So now we will study in detail, right? So you may have already been knowing everything and we will little bit learn more things, okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So see here, the solar system. In our solar system is the sun is the star. The star is sun, right? So in that gravity, all the planets are what? In holded by the gravity of the sun, isn't it? So here, if you see, the solar system consists how many planets? Yes, 8 planets are there. So 8 planets are there and sun is one star. So this is one, sun is one star. Okay. So okay. So here if you see what the different planets, first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, 7th is Uranus, 8th is Neptune. So these are the order from the sun. So if you see the size is very small, it may not be visible. So this is Venus, that is Mercury, first planet from the sun is Mercury, second is the Venus, right? So third, yes, our earth is the third. So where we live? We live on the earth. So our earth is the third place, right? So fourth is Mars, you may have heard Mars mission, right? Isn't it? So here fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn. Yes. So fifth, Jupiter is very big, right? So Jupiter is very big. Okay. And next is Saturn. It has a ring around it. Next is Uranus and Neptune. We'll study in detail about. Yes, very good. Okay. So we will study some more details. Okay, good beta. So see here. Yes. Yes, beta. Yes. So this is large. Can you see the size? It is according to the size only. So the solar system consists of sun, the star, and 8 planets. How many planets are there? 8 planets are there, and their satellites. Satellite means moons. Earth has a moon, right? You may have seen in the night, isn't it? So that is, we say it as satellites. Okay, what do we say? Moons, we say it as satellites. So artificial, if it is artificial, we say it as satellite. If it is natural, that is, we say it as moon. You may have heard of satellites. We send so many satellites for different what communication and then navigation, different radio signals. We use satellites for communications and all, right? So here thousands of other smaller heavenly bodies such as asteroids and comets, meteors, right? You may have seen stars falling from the sky. You may have heard or someone may have told you, right? That is meteor, right? That is meteor shower. Okay, that is meteor shower. And you may have heard in some place there was one rock fallen from the space, that is asteroid. Asteroids is small rocks. Small rocks means it will be very big only. Okay, so those, if it is very small, when it will be entering, it will become burn away and there will be nothing. Okay, so we will learn about it. The solar system is given by whom? Nicholas Copernicus. This person gave this. Yes, it is like this. Sun is in the center, and then after that these are the planets, and this is the order. Everything is given by, he studied first, he found it everything and gave the details about that, right? That is Nicholas Copernicus. Okay, so the astronomer, we say, right? Astronomer is studying different planets. So discovered the solar system. So when did he live? Tell me. He lived from 1473 to 1543. In these years he lived. Okay, understood? So that is Nicholas Copernicus gave us the solar system. Okay, good. So next, let us see the next point. The sun is at the center. The sun is at the center, and around that all our planets, what it does, it revolves around them, right? Okay, good. So here, okay, so here did I switch on the video? Yes, it is recording, right? Okay, fine. So here all the celestial bodies are revolving around its, that is sun, because of the gravitation, pull. Okay, good. So next is planets revolve around the sun in elliptical order. So if you take the sun in this manner, they will revolve around it. Okay, that is, we say it as what? Elliptical order, right? So elliptical, it will not be circle, it is elliptical. Okay, like this. Got it? Understood? Okay, good. So this is the rotation. Okay, so in which galaxy do we are situated? Tell me. Yes, Milky Way galaxy, isn't it? Good. So see here. So planets revolve around the sun in elliptical order. So we have seen that. Next is, we live on the planet Earth, right? We are on the planet Earth, that is part of the solar system which resides in Milky Way galaxy, right? So this is the Milky Way galaxy, isn't it? Milky Way galaxy. Okay, there are so many galaxies. Okay, there are thousands, crores of galaxies in the space above, right? Yes, there are so many galaxies. Okay, yes, very good. So you can study about it. If you see in the sky, you may not be able to see things, but this is, if you see from the bigger, or that is from the telescope, it will be visible. Okay, so this is the galaxy. Where is sun in this? The sun is in here. The arm, it is like this, right? So this is the center, and this is the arm, like this, right? These are the arms, we say. So that is galaxy's arms. So the sun is in this arm. Which arm? The name of that arm is Orion arm. What is the name of that arm? Orion arm. And the solar system and the sun, everything revolves in the, around this center, around this what? Galaxy's center. Okay, remember that. So just for your information, I have added this. So our solar system, the earth revolves around the sun, and our solar system, then sun, everything revolves around the galaxy's center. In the center there is black hole. What is there? There is black hole, and that is holding the whole, that is Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so there are so many galaxies in the outer space. Understood? Yes. So the arm, that is sun is here. Yes, the arm in which it is there, is the Orion arm. Okay, got it? Good. So any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So let's go to the next question. So any no doubts, right? So we'll study then about sun now. Okay, yes, the sun here, it is the nearest star to the earth. Sun is a star. Stars will be very big in size, and what? They will hold the planets around them. So this is sun. Sun is what? Providing us light. Yes, sun provides us light, right? Very good. Okay, so next let us see, the diameter of the sun is 109 times that of the earth. How many times? 109 times that of the earth. Okay, that is the diameter. I think it is less, is it? 109 times. So yes, it is how many times? That is 109 times that of the earth. Diameter means this size is there, right? So this size, if you consider this earth, this size, so 100 how many times? 9 times bigger it is. Okay, diameter of the earth. Okay, so sun provides what? Energy for the life on the earth. That is, sunlight is there. From that what happens? Plant grow, they provide food, we also need light, isn't it? So sun is the ultimate source of energy for the earth. Okay. So yes, okay. So it has surface temperature of 5778 degrees Celsius. That is very hot. This surface means this is the surface. So on that, what is the temperature? 5778 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is degree Celsius. Okay, good. So hydrogen and helium are the main gases present in the sun, with hydrogen as the most abundant one, right? So here in this is burning, right? So what is there here? Hydrogen is there. What is there? Hydrogen is there, and two hydrogen atom combine to give helium atom. Okay, and at that time what happens? The energy is released. This energy, what is burning, we see it is that two hydrogen atom combine. Hydrogen is there so much. When these hydrogen atom combine, it becomes helium, and it releases energy. Okay, so next point is what? Shining surface of the sun is called photosphere, that act as the source of energy. Photo means photon, photo means light, photosphere. So that is the shining surface from which the surface. Okay, good. The outermost layer of the sun, atmosphere, made up of hot gases, is called what? Corona. You may have seen. See here. So this, if you see here, it is corona. So what is happening? The gases, so this is atmosphere. So little bit you may see the red color, right? Atmosphere here, after the, just above the planet, that is sun star. So this atmosphere, there are gases. Because of the heat, what will happen? It will get heated and warm, right? So they will get what? Heated. Okay, good. So they are all hot gases. They called as what? Corona. What do we say that? The name of the atmosphere where the gases, that is, are heated, that is, we say it as corona. Okay. So yes. The sun is about 150 million times what? Kilometers away from the earth. So the distance between earth and sun in the solar system is how much? 150 million kilometers. 150 million means how much it is? How many lakhs it is? Yes, 150 million kilometers. What? 150 million. In lakhs, how much it is? Tell me. Yes, that is 1 million means 10 lakhs. So 150 into 10, it will be 1500 lakhs. 1500 lakhs. 1500 lakhs means 15 crore. If you divide by 100, it will become 15 crore kilometers. The distance between earth and sun. So this is sun, this is earth, is how much? 15 crore kilometer. 15 crore kilometer. So distance between the earth and sun. Will everyone remember that? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So now, how much time it takes for the sun, that is the light from the sun to come to earth? Tell me, how much time it takes? 8, no, that is the day, right? So the time, if the light is generated here, the ray is passed from here, how much time it takes to come to earth? It is 8.5 minutes. How many minutes? 8.5 minutes. From the surface of the sun, if it is radiated, it takes 8.5 minutes to come to the earth. Got it? Yes. So from here, this sun is there, right? Sun to earth, this is 15 crore kilometer. Okay, so the time taken for the light to come is 8.5 minutes. Okay, got it? Yes. Okay, so this is what you have to remember about the sun. Yes, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now should we see the next? Yes, that is the planets, different planets. that is 8 planets are there in this solar system. Okay, so 8 planets have been divided into two groups: terrestrial planets and rocky planets and Jovian planets. Okay, so here let us see here what do you mean by that. So terrestrial planets, they are inner planets. They include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Yes, so means what? If you see inner planets, that is from the sun, these four, which are these four, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And after that Jupiter is little big, and in between them, that is sun is bigger and Jupiter is also bigger, in between them inner planets. So these four planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these four planets are what called? They are called, that is terrestrial or inner planets. Okay, so they include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are smaller in size and mass. They are smaller compared to the sun and the Jupiter. Okay, so here they have higher density. They have higher density means the packing of the material is little higher. They are little compared to size. Yes, the compared to size the weight is little more compared to other what planets. They are mostly made up of rock and metal. Yes, rock you may see, right? So that is the earth crust, it is rock and sand, everything, right? So if you go deeper, there is what? Core is hot lava, isn't it? So that is metal and everything mixed. So they are closer to the sun and they have few moons. Jupiter has most of the moons. Okay, it has so many moons. So that is natural satellite and no rings. Yes, so which planet has ring? Tell me, which planet has ring? Yes, Saturn has ring. So these planets, terrestrial planets, don't have rings here. So they have shorter period of revolution and longer period of rotation. Okay, so here that is they revolve around itself. Revolution means around itself. Earth is there, it revolves around itself in how much time? 24 hours time, right? And longer period of rotation. Rotation means rotate around the what? Sun. Okay, they rotate around the sun here. Okay, so that is longer. So how much time does it take for the earth to rotate around the sun? 365 days, right? So it is 365 days and some 6 months, that is 6 hours. Okay, so see 365 days and 6 hours. Okay, so that is that. Yes, very good. Okay, okay, silence. So here it is little different. See here. So it is wrong. Okay, so revolution means that is revolving around the sun. Rotation means around itself. Okay, so change it. Revolution means around the sun. So that is it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Rotation means around its own axis. Okay, around its own axis means earth rotates around itself, right? So that is how much hour? 24 hours nearly. Okay, got it? So that is the rotation means around itself. So this pen is there, it is I am rotating this, so it is rotating. Revolution means like this. Okay, revolving around something. This hand is there, it is revolving around my hand like that. Okay, good. So Jovian planets, what are Jovian planets? Yes, let us see that. They are called outer planets, that is after the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are four. They are 4 planets, that is terrestrial. Jovian are 4 planets. Okay, these are little bigger in size, right? So they are larger in size and mass. Okay, they have lower density. They are mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. These are what? Lighter gases. They are farther from the sun. Farther means away from the sun. They are little away from the sun. They have rings and many moons. They are bigger in size, so they have greater amount of what? Gravity. So they are what? They have many moons. Okay, so they have also rings. Saturn has rings, isn't it like that? They have longer period of revolution and shorter period of rotation. So revolution means that is sun, around the sun. Rotation means around itself, right? So that is like that. So they take longer period of revolution, revolve around the sun, because they are far, and shorter period of rotation, they rotate fast around itself, like this. Okay, good. So understood about Jovian and terrestrial planets? Yes. So now let us see Mercury, about Mercury here. Okay, so it is the closest planet to the sun. First planet is what? The Mercury only, right? This is the Mercury planet. Okay, so Mercury is smallest and lightest of all the 8 planets in our solar system, right? So this is very small, smallest planet we have seen in the solar system, right? Smallest planet is which? Mercury. Okay, so and has no moons, there is no moon for Mercury. Okay, so next point, one day on Mercury is equal to 176 earth days. How many days? One day is 176 hour days, right? So one day on the Mercury is 176 days on the earth. Mercury is the second densest planet after the earth, that is the material is very tightly packed. Okay, density, it is highly dense. Mercury is the second hottest planet after Venus. So hottest planet is Venus and second hottest is what? Mercury. Why is it hottest? Because it is near to the sun. Okay, yes, very good. Yes. So Mercury has no atmosphere and has no gases like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen and ozone. So there are what? Not, these gases are not present. So it has no atmosphere, right? So that is, it has no atmosphere. Understood? Okay, good. So Galileo made the first telescopic observation of the planet in early 17th century, right? So Galileo Galilei, you may have heard of, right? So he observed the first this Mercury planet, right? So he observed the Mercury planet first. Got it? Okay, good. So Mercury has the fastest revolution in the solar system, about 88 days. So around the sun, to revolve around the sun, how many days the Mercury planet takes? 88 days. Okay, good. So will you remember this? That is, it is the smallest planet. Okay, main points. This is the first planet from the sun, that is the closest, and second hottest planet, densest planet, right? So Galileo made it first, what? That is telescope, the person first who observed the Mercury and told about it to everyone is Galileo. And Mercury is takes how many days? 88 days to revolution for the around the sun, that is fastest revolution. Okay, so someone's mic is making problem, I think Sumalata, right? So keep it switch off, when you speak switch it on. Yes, any doubt, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt. You said that the outer planets have lower density, then how can heavier than the inner planets?
Because they are bigger in size, right? The size, if you see, of the planets, it is very big. See, the earth is how much? It is, Jupiter is very big, 1000 times bigger than earth, right? That is how. Okay, so let us see the next planet, that is second from the sun. Which is the second from the sun? Venus. Yes. Okay, so we have seen second hottest is Mercury, first hottest is Venus. And if you see in the morning and the evening, that is after the sunrise, there will be planet visible near the sun, and during the sunset also there will be planet visible near the sun. It is Venus planet, right? So Venus is the second distant planet from the sun, and it is the nearest planet to the earth. That is, earth is the third, right? So Mars, that is what? First is Mercury, and then Venus, and then earth is there. So this is nearest to the earth. Okay, so, and is also brightest planet. Which is the brightest planet? Venus. Why is it brightest? Because it is hottest, it is very hot. Yes, so Yes, yes, because of the heat. Yes, very good. Okay, okay, good. Yes, yes. So it is the hottest planet, that is the Mercury, right? Brightest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest in our solar system. We saw that Venus has no water and oxygen on its surface. There is no water. Venus is known as the Earth's twin, as it has same size and mass like the Earth. If you compare the size, it is little bit same. Yes, so twin of the Earth. What? Earth's twin or twin of the Earth. Venus is surrounded by thick cloud cover, therefore it is known as the wheeled planet. Which planet? Wheeled planet. Venus is known as the morning star as well as the evening star. Why? Yeah, so it will be visible in the morning after the sunrise and before the sunset, that is in the evening. Okay, understood? Got it? Okay, good. So should we go to the next? Should we go to the next, that is Earth? Yes? So on which planet do we live? Tell me. Okay, fine. So here we will study about the Earth now. Yes. So the Earth is there, right? So it has life on it, right? We are living on Earth, isn't it? Only planet in our solar system which supports life is Earth, isn't it? Okay, so let us study about that. So Earth is at the third place from the Sun, right? Third place from the Sun. It is fifth largest planet in the solar system. Yes, okay, good. Remember, the smallest planet is, yes, Mercury, yes. And which is the bigger planet? Jupiter. Okay, good, good. Okay, good. So here the Earth is tilted how much? 23.12 degree on its axis. Means if this is the axis, this is rotated like this. Okay, so this angle is there, right? It is 23 degrees. Okay, this is the north side. We write north side as like this. Okay, the Earth is tilted like this. This is the north side. So it is okay, so how much degree it is? 23.12 degrees tilted. Okay, good. So it takes 23 hours and 56 minutes to rotate on its own axis. That is one day we say. So it is 23 hours 56 minutes it takes to revolve around itself. That is why we get day and night, right? So because of the what? Rotation. Because of the rotation, what do we get? Day and night on the Earth, right? When we face towards the sun, we get day. When we move away from the sun, what happens? We get night, right? Okay, good. So it takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes, nearly around 6 hours to revolve around the sun, right? That is revolution. Okay, around the sun it takes how much time? 365 days, 5 hours, that is nearly 6 hours, you can remember. So Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet. Why is it? Because of the water. So if you see from the sky, it looks what? Blue, as 70% of the Earth is covered by what? Tell me. 70% of the Earth is covered by water, so it looks blue. If you see from the top, it looks blue. Yeah, I just wrote approximate number. It is 71, that is correct, 71, but I read approximate. Okay, so nearly around, I told nearly around 70%, right? So that is what. Okay, so here Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life due to the presence of oxygen gas. So what do we breathe? We breathe oxygen, isn't it? That is very important for our survival. So because of the presence of the oxygen and what? Hydrogen. If we combine oxygen and hydrogen, we get water. So water is the what? Lifeline of our daily, right? So that is, Earth has only the life because of presence of the oxygen. Got it? Good. So let's study about the moon now. Yes, yes. So yes, very good. Yes, so should we study now? Earth is the third distance from the sun and fifth largest planet, and also tilted how much degrees? 23.12 degrees, and it takes how much? 23 hours 56 minutes, and that is to rotate around itself. From around the sun it takes how much? 365 days and 5 hours means nearly 6 hours you can remember, and it has water, and we say it as blue planet, and also what, it has life, it supports life, only planet on the, that is in the solar system. Okay, good. So let us see about the moon. You may have seen in the night, right? Yes, the moon. Okay, so it is what, under the gravity of the earth, because earth is bigger than moon, so under the gravity of the earth it is what, holded. Okay, so moon is there. So if you see, the moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. There is only one moon for the earth, right? That is natural satellite we say. Natural means that is automatically by nature. Okay, so the maximum distance of the moon from the earth is known as the apogee, and the minimum distance of the moon from the earth is known as the, called as perigee. Okay, so this is earth, it rotates around what, the earth, isn't it? So this distance is smaller, this distance is bigger in the elliptical order, right? So everything in the solar system revolves in elliptical order. So this, that is the maximum distance, this is the maximum and this is the minimum. So maximum distance, what do we say, apogee, what do we say, that is, okay, and minimum distance, what do we say, perigee, what, perigee. Okay, perigee. So remember that. Okay, now here, that is the average distance between the moon and the earth is how much, 3,84,400 kilometer. So how much kilometer away is the moon from the earth? Yes, so nearly average means everything combined with divided. So 3,84,400 kilometers. How much kilometer is the sun? Yes, 15 crore kilometer, right? Yes, okay, good. So should we go to the next? So it takes how many days for the moon to rotate around the its own axis? 27.3 days for the moon to rotate its own axis, known as sidereal month. So we say it as 1 month, right? 1 month has how many days? 30 days nearly. So that is considered as sidereal month for the moon, that is 27.3 days. So it takes how many days to, that is moon to rotate? Yes, that is 27.3 days. Okay, so moon takes approximately same period of time to revolve around the earth as it takes during its rotation. Okay, good. So moon's, that is Huygens, is the moon's tallest mountain with the height of how much, that is 18,046 feet, that is more than the half the height of Mount Everest. So on the moon there is what, mountain, that mountain, that mountain height is how much, 18,046 feet, 18,046 feet. So that mountain name is what, Mons Huygens, right? Mons Huygens. Okay, Huygens, Huygens, you can read some like that also. Moon has no atmosphere and no sound. If there is no atmosphere, sound cannot travel, right? So that is why you cannot hear on the moon. Okay, so moon has no atmosphere. Good. So next, the temperature during the day time is about 100 degrees Celsius, and during the night it drops about 180 degrees Celsius. Why is that? Because the sunlight falls on the surface of what, moon, and it will be hot, and in the night there will be no sunlight, it will become cold, very cold. Okay, so that is why the temperature will be very, very less, isn't it? That is 180 degrees Celsius. Now the size of the moon is 1/4 the size of the earth. How much? 1/4, that is 1/4 means if it is 100 rupees, 1/4 is 25 rupees, like that. Okay, so 25% of the earth, the size is 25%. So it takes 1.3 seconds for the light to reach the earth from the moon. So when the sunlight comes, right, so from moon to earth it takes how much seconds? 1.3 seconds. Okay, gravitational pull of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. So gravitation of the earth is near 9.8 Newton. How much? The 9.8. Okay, so here that of the what moon is how much? 1/6 of this. Okay, 1/6 of this. Fine, good. So the study of moon is called what? Selenology. What do we say? Selenology. Moon is also known as what? Fossil planet. Okay. Chandrayaan 1, India's first mission to the moon was launched from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. It was first lunar mission launched in which year? 2008 by our, that is, Space Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, right? So recently, which that is Chandrayaan 2 got failed. Chandrayaan 3, there was a lander, right? Yes, it was successful. Recently it was launched, isn't it? Okay, good. So it was launched on the South Pole, right? So first of a kind, isn't it? Now Chandrayaan 2 was launched on which day? 22 July 2019 from Sriharikota in Madhya Pradesh, that is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, good. So remember this. Will everyone remember? Okay, good. Should we go to the next, that is Mars? Yes. Okay, so the Mars, it is known as red planet. Why? It looks red. Okay, so this is which planet? That is the fourth planet from the sun. Okay, and why is it red? Because of iron. Iron is there, right? Because of iron in the soil. Okay, yes beta. So Mars is terrestrial planet having rocky surface and thin atmosphere. Okay, the average distance of Mars from the sun is 227.9 million kilometers. How many kilometers? 227.9 million kilometers. Means that is how much in crore? 22.79 kilometers. Crore kilometer. Okay, that is 22.79 crore kilometer. It is million, right? It takes how many days? 687 days for the Mars to orbit the sun and 24.6 hours to rotate on its own axis. To rotate on its own axis, it takes 24.6 hours, and from around the sun it takes 689, that is 687 days. Understand? Good. So Phobos and Deimos are the two moons of the Mars. Okay, ISRO launched its first Mars orbiter mission on which day? 5th November, that is 2013, also called Mangalyaan. You may have heard Mangalyaan mission, right? So it was, yes, for what? Yes, for Mars. Okay, to explore the Mars, India launched Mangalyaan. Okay, good.
Sir, Mangalyaan was launched on 2014, no, sir?
That is in the year 2013 5th November beta. Okay, we say it as 2014 only, because if you don't remember day, nearly November, December, after that 2014 only, right? So that is why we say it as 2014. Exact date is 5th November. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes.
Sir, there is a movie called Mission.
Yes, Mangalyaan, right? Okay, good. So now Jupiter, we will study about the Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest, isn't it? It is the biggest planet. Okay,
Biggest planet on Earth.
so here,
Sir, Jupiter has 72 moons.
yes, very good. So Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Okay, so it is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system, and it takes only 10 hours to complete full rotation on its axis. So to rotate around its own axis, how much time the Jupiter takes? 10 hours. Okay, yes. So yes, so it is the fastest spinning planet on its own axis, like this it is rotating. Okay, the great red spot, an anticyclonic storm on Jupiter, is one of the most familiar feature of the planet that was first identified in 1665 by Italian astronomer Giovanni Cassini. Okay, so this planet has what? A very large size what? spot. That spot is called great red spot. That is what? Anticyclonic storm. That is a storm. Okay, that is a storm. Fine. So here you can you see on this? Yes. So you may have seen this, right? So this cyclone, like this, it is rotation, right? Like this. So that is the spot. Okay, good. So next, Jupiter is also what? Jupiter also has faint ring surrounded it, right? So that is very light ring. Faint ring means very light ring. We cannot clearly see, but there is smaller, like very smaller or light ring. Okay. So Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than the Earth. That is, Ganymede is the largest satellite moon of the Jupiter and is also the largest satellite in the solar system. So the largest satellite, that is moon of the Jupiter, is Ganymede. What? Ganymede. Okay, remember that. So that is the largest in our solar system. Our moon is smaller than this. Okay. Jupiter is also known as what? Winter planet, as its average temperature is very low, that is minus 148 degrees Celsius. It is always very cold there, isn't it? So that is why it is said as winter planet. Which planet? Winter planet. Okay, will everyone remember this? Yes. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Should we go to the next now? That is Saturn. Yes, what is the best feature of Saturn? That is ring, if you see, right? Yes. Okay, good. So here let us see now. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, no, nothing. So Saturn is the sixth planet with respect to the distance from the sun. So first is what? Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is yes, Mars, fifth is fifth is Jupiter, after that is Saturn. Okay, after that is Saturn, sixth one. Okay, good. So, and it is second largest in our solar system. First largest is Jupiter, second largest is Saturn. Saturn is gas giant composed of gases like hydrogen, helium and methane. Which gases are present? Yes, hydrogen, helium and methane gases. Saturn is the flattest planet. So if you see, it is like little flatter. Okay. What? Methane is gas, CH4. In the kitchen, what do you burn? You burn ethane, that is right. So like that, methane. See, ethane is C2H6. Okay, like that. In the kitchen, you burn, right? That is. So like that, methane gas is there. Biomass. Have you heard of biomass? From the gobar or the dung, we create the biogas, right? In that biogas, methane is produced. We can burn it. Okay, we can burn it. So that Saturn orbits the sun once in every 29.4 Earth years. It takes how many years? Yes, our Earth takes 1 year to rotate around the sun. So Saturn takes how many years? 29 years. Okay, 29.4 years it takes to rotate around the sun. Saturn has most extensive ring system than other planets, and therefore it is known as the jewel of the solar system. What it is known? It is known as the jewel of the solar system or the ringed planet. We also say it as ringed planet. Okay. Jewel means that is like diamond. Jewel is something which is precious, looks good. Diamond looks good, isn't it? Like that. Jewel means very precious thing. Okay. So Saturn with 82 means, how many moons are there for Saturn? 82 means has the most number of the moons. Saturn has most number of moons. Okay. Yes, Saturn has the most number of moons. Okay. Yes, very good. So among all the planets, Titan is what? The largest satellite of the Saturn. Okay. Yes. So Ganymede, if you see for the Jupiter, is Ganymede, right? Ganymede is the largest for all the solar system, that is, okay, the moon of the Jupiter. But Saturn's moon, biggest moon is what? Titan. Okay, it has 82 moons. Saturn has how many moons? 82 moons, largest in the solar system. Okay, that is most number of moons. Understood? Should we go to the next, that is Uranus? Yes. So this is Uranus. Okay, Uranus is the third largest planet of the solar system and seventh planet from the sun. Okay, seventh planet from the sun. Uranus was discovered in which year? 1781 by whom? Sir William Herschel. Okay, Sir William Herschel. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. You can see it looks like ice, isn't it? So it is the coldest planet. Okay. So we also say, which planet do we say winter planet? Yes, which planet do we say as winter planet? Tell me. We say Jupiter because it is cold. Okay, so coldest planet is the Uranus. Okay, yes,
Sir,
yes.
how can we say that ice planet? It is blue, sir.
No. That is, it looks like, because it is cold. Okay, it is looks like means that is not ice. Ice, if I say ice, means it is very cold. Okay, not ice. Ice means not water ice. Okay, it is cold. Okay, it is ice cold, like that. Okay, good. So the axis of Uranus has large inclination, so it appears to be lying down. Hence it is got the name a planet on its side. So why do we say a planet on its side? Because large inclination. Okay, so Earth's inclination is how much degrees? 23 degrees, 0.12 degrees, 23.12 degrees. But the Uranus inclination is more than that. It looks like lying, right? Okay, so here Uranus has the second most extensive set of rings in the solar system. So there are rings present after Saturn. So it has yes, okay, good. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered after the invention of the telescope. Okay, Uranus rotates from the east to west on its axis, that is opposite to other planets. Okay, so our earth rotates. This is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So how does our earth rotates? It rotates from the west side to east side, but Uranus rotates how? East to west. It rotates opposite, okay, around itself. Got it? Good. So
Sir, if
Venus
Uranus is made out of ice, then why is Jupiter called as the winter planet?
means it is very colder. That is, Jupiter is little closer to Earth, and it is that is colder also. We just give names, right? So to understand, if you say winter, it will be cold. You will feel like that, colder planet. The coldest is Venus, and that is Uranus. Okay, understood?
Okay.
So will everyone remember this? Now let us see the last, that is Neptune. What?
Yes, sir.
Neptune. Okay, good. So what is here? Neptune is the most distant, that is last planet, and that was the first discovered in which year? 1846. Okay, first planet, which was first discovered planet? That was Uranus, right? We saw here. Okay, so that is discovered after the telescope. That is first planet. Okay, and here Neptune was discovered in which year? 1846. So Neptune is the smallest and all the other gas giants in the solar system, that is Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. If you compare to these three, this is smaller. Okay, so it is very similar to Uranus and is considered as the twin of Uranus. What? It is considered as twin of Uranus. Okay, so it is surrounded by methane rings of sub-zero temperature. What is present on this Neptune? Methane gas is present. What is present? Methane gas is present. Yes, very good. So will everyone remember all these points? Tell me. Yes? Any doubt for anyone?
No, sir.
we have studied everything, right? So all the 8 planets and the sun, right? So we have studied about that. So which is the first planet from the sun? Mercury, after that Venus, Earth, Mars, and then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, good. So there are 8 planets are there. So remember about them. Okay, good. Yes, yes, very good, very good. So will everyone remember all these details? Any doubt for anyone? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So everyone, thank you for watching, and you can write down the notes from the video. Thank you.